The construction of the pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, has long fascinated historians, archaeologists, and engineers. It is generally estimated that the Great Pyramid itself took about 20 years to complete, with a workforce that could have numbered up to 100,000 laborers at its peak. This timeline is derived from historical texts, including writings by the ancient Greek historian Herodotus, as well as contemporary archaeological evidence and research.
The process of building these monumental structures was incredibly complex and involved multiple stages of planning, preparation, and execution.
The first step was the selection of a suitable site, often on a rocky plateau to ensure a stable foundation. Afterward, a massive workforce had to be organized, which included not just laborers but also skilled craftsmen, architects, engineers, and a large number of support workers tasked with providing food, water, and other supplies. The primary building material used was limestone, quarried from nearby sites. Larger blocks of granite, used in the inner chambers, were transported from quarries up to 800 kilometers away. These blocks were then transported to the construction site using a combination of sledges, rollers, and boats along the Nile River during the flood season. Once the stones arrived at the site, they were carefully cut and shaped using copper tools. The construction process likely involved the use of a straight or spiral ramp system to move the massive stones into place as the pyramid rose in height. These ramps could have been made of mud brick and limestone chippings and would have been dismantled once construction was completed. Sophisticated techniques were also employed to ensure the precision of each stone's placement. The Egyptians used a combination of ropes, plumb bobs, levels, and specialized tools to achieve the right angles and smooth joints that characterize the pyramids. Each stone was laid with remarkable accuracy, a testament to the workers' skill and the sophisticated engineering knowledge of the time. Once completed, the pyramids were often finished with a smooth outer casing of higher quality limestone, which would have given the structures a brilliant, reflective surface. The Great Pyramid originally stood at about 146.6 meters, 481 feet, tall, though it is slightly shorter today due to the loss of the outer casing stones over thousands of years.